Good morning, children. I hope you are fine and safe at home. Home, stay safe. Children, welcome back to our second lesson, Introduction to C Language, Part 2. In the previous class, you have learnt about basics of C language, that is, how the C language was developed and what is C character set. And now in today's class, you are going to learn about the different data types used in C language, what are variables, and about comments to be used in C language. The data types in C language refers to the procedure used for declaring variables or functions which are of different types. The type of variable determines how much space it occupies in storing the value and the type of input to be given to the variable. In general, the data types in C language are of two types, and they are first one numeric type of data and the second one is text type of data. These numeric type of data and text type of data are again divided into two types each for the effective use of data. Numeric type is divided into integer type and float type, whereas text type of data is divided into character data type and string data type. The data type int occupies or handles only whole numbers. Integers can be of positive or negative values without fractions. The data type int occupies 2 bytes of memory. 1 byte is equal to 4 bits and 2 bytes is equal to 8 bits. So these integers are declared in the program using the int option. Any variable name which follows int will accept only integer values. Here from this example int a comma b, we can understand that a and b are the variables which are used to store the values of whole numbers, that is called as integers, which are of positive or negative without fractions. Float data type accepts fractional values with decimal points as well as integer type of data. The data type float occupies 4 bytes of memory, as we know that 1 byte is equal to 4 bits. 4 bytes is equal to 16 bits. Here bit means binary digit. The float data type are declared in the program using the float option. Here from this example we can understand that a comma b are the variables which are used to store the values or the data type which are of float. Character data type is used to store the letters. Especially character data type is used to store single letter. It can be of any size. A single character occupies 1 byte of memory. A single byte can take up the whole range of 256 characters known as character specified. So here in this example, x and y are the variables which are used to store the character values or character data type. A group of characters is called as a string. String data type is a part of text type of data. These group of characters can contain spaces and numbers also, but the first character should be of letter type but not the number. These string data types are declared using the char option only. Here in this example, a and c are the variables which contains the data types string, and the range is also specified here. It means that the variable a can contain the data types or the values up to 20 characters, whereas the variable c can contain the value up to 15 characters. Data types in C language can be declared in combination with variables. Now let us learn about variables. Variable is actually a temporary location in the memory of the computer which can store a value. This value can be changed during the execution of the program. Variables are named locations. Declaration of a variable is a must in the program. If a variable is not declared in the program, computer will point out it as an error. Here in the above examples, A and B are the variables which are used to store values based on the respected data types. Comments. Comments can be inserted anywhere in a program. The C compiler ignores comments, and comments are meant only for understanding of the programmer, and these comments are not compulsory to be written in a program. Children, all of you know that what is a compiler. A compiler is a special program that processes statements written in a particular programming language and turns them into machine language or code that a computer processes. These C comments are enclosed in between symbols slash, asterisk and asterisk slash. Here you can see some of the examples which can be written and which are called as comments.